What is going on, you guys? Welcome to another DIY here on Garage Denali. In this video, we're going to be doing a little oil change on the Crown Vic here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your oil if you have a Crown Victoria or if you have a Mercury Grand Marquis, Lincoln Town Car. The process is generally the same on these cars. These are Panther platform cars. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. This is a Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This is built after the year 2003, so all 03 and later cars are going to require 6 quarts of 5W20 oil. So here I'm using Mobil 1 5W20 oil for 2003 and later cars. You need 6 quarts. I have a Ford Motorcraft FL820S oil filter. This is the best one that you can use from what I've been reading. Here we got an oil filter removal tool, got a pair of gloves, and finally we got a drain container. This is how we're going to catch all our old oil. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is make sure the car is jacked up, or if it's up on ramps, you want to do that and make sure it's nice and stable. And make sure that it's safe to get underneath so it doesn't fall over. Obviously, you know, safety first, and you should know to do that. Afterwards, we're going to get underneath. We're going to get our container here. And we're going to just slide this right under here. The drain bolt is right here. So we're going to get our container right here. So we're going to catch all the oil right into this pan here. So we're not going to spill any, and then we can just recycle this. So what you need to do here, get a 1/2-inch drive ratchet with a 5/8 socket. You just get this on here like that, and then you just turn this off just like that. So we're just going to turn this off, and now it's starting to drip. So now you want to be careful because this oil is hot. Get our container ready. There we go. Alright guys, so now you got to get your oil filter out. So your oil filter is this white cylindrical object right up here. This usually comes off by hand, but if it's just too tight and you can't get it out, then you can use one of these oil filter removal tools. This has a strap and you adjust exactly how much of the length you need to get it off. But this oil filter here is loose enough by hand that you can just unscrew it and it'll come right out. I gotta do it the other way, but just like that. You see? You just unscrew it and it comes out. Get our oil pan adjusted. There we go. That's dripping. This is gonna be a little messy, so just get ready for that. And there we go. Catch all that oil. Get the oil filter out of here, and we are good. There's our filter. Get all this oil out. Alright guys, so here's our new oil filter right here, nice and clean. I'm just going to take a little bit of oil and get the seal here lubricated so we can get it back on easily, nice and snug. So after we have that, we're just going to take our filter and get it back on up here. Let's see here. Get our oil filter right through this maze here. So now that our oil filter is on, we're just going to get this hand tightened. Just like that. Alright guys, now that we're done that, we're just going to get under here and clean everything up, clean the mess up that we made. We want to make sure everything's clean. We don't want any problems here, potential fire hazards, so we're just going to clean up all the excess oil that we've spilled. Alright guys, after we've put our oil filter back on, now here comes the fun part. We're adding oil to the car. So, all model year 2003 and forward Crown Victoria Police Interceptors, they take 6 quarts of oil. So I got a 5 quart jug here, and then I got another one, a 6th quart, which we're going to add. So let's go ahead and add our oil. Alright guys, before we add our 6th quart, we're just going to take a look at the oil level. Your dipstick is down here, just pull it out, wipe it clean. put it back in all the way and pull it back out. So yeah, we're I don't know how well you can see that, but we're close. You want to be right there in the zigzag range in that area, so we're close. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add our 6th quart, and that should top it off. I'm going to try not to spill this one also. Afterwards, we're going to get our oil cap back on. We're going to start the car, let it run for a few minutes, get it up to operating temperature, let it cool for 5 minutes. Then we're going to check the level again, and if everything's normal, then you're pretty much done. If you're a little less, then you want to add a little more oil. But alright guys, so at this point we're going to start the car, let it run for a little bit, couple minutes, get it to operating temperature. Then we're going to let it cool down. We're going to check the level after 5 minutes. In the meantime, you want to look underneath, make sure everything's okay, make sure you don't find any leaks, and you know, make sure everything's tight, everything's sealed, and should be good. Alright guys, that's basically the DIY right there. That's the process on how to change your oil on a Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. So the quantities of oil vary based on the year you have. If it's pre-03, you have 5 quarts, I believe it is. If it's 03 and later, then it's 6 quarts. So basically that's how you change your oil on a CVPI. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and take care.